McNeil is here with me now. We're taking a live look in Newport tonight. No tropical storms here at home, but as Debbie dies down and moves away from Florida, it could potentially impact us next weekend, right?
Yeah, so Sheena, still a long ways away, but we are tracking the potential for some of the remnants of Debbie to impact our immediate area here. Certainly flooding would be the biggest risk with any heavy rainfall that moves through, but of course that is still several days away. So we'll keep you guys updated within the next several days. Let's take a look outside right now, though, at our live cam downtown Providence here. We're seeing some fairly strong thunderstorms moving through earlier this evening, bringing some heavy rainfall, though no severe thunderstorm warnings were issued in our immediate area as far or any flood warnings. So we were okay in the flooding department, but for a little while there we got some pretty heavy downpours and some thunder moving through. Now things are looking a lot drier at this hour, and your temperatures as well still mild out there, but quite a bit cooler than what we were seeing earlier this afternoon and evening. 71 right now in Providence. Out towards Taunton we're at 73, and then down towards the coast right at 70 in Narragansett. And those overnight lows will be very mild tonight, right around 70 across most of the area, with very elevated dew points still in the upper 60s and low 70s, and we'll continue that trend right on through tomorrow. So again, quieter for the rest of the night tonight, drier as well. Tomorrow for the most part looks dry in addition to tonight, but it will be very hot and humid. In addition to that, we will be looking at a very unsettled pattern through the rest of the week, kind of starting on Tuesday and right on through the weekend, where we're tracking that potential for the remnants of Tropical Storm Debbie, which is about to be Hurricane Debbie. Severe storm risk for Monday here. Another thing to be mindful of, although we are not in this level 2 slight risk here, that will stay to areas farther to our north, but we are in a level 1 risk for parts of Rhode Island and southeastern Massachusetts. So far, current guidance is not suggesting a lot of activity in our immediate area, but because of that high heat and humidity, anything that does fire up, it wouldn't take too much for it to become severe. The greatest risk, if we do see any thunderstorms tomorrow, would be kind of similar to today, heavy rain and high wind gusts at times. Right now, though, we're looking a lot drier than what we were seeing earlier here. This was all due to a shortwave trough that's continuing to move offshore here as we head towards the overnight. So looking at a much quieter overnight tonight and into most of Monday tomorrow. So let's take a look at Tropical Storm Debbie here, which is kind of right on the cusp of becoming a Category 1 hurricane. With that, it's expected to make landfall kind of the Big Bend region of Florida down here, where a hurricane warning is currently in place. And as it continues to move towards parts of Georgia and South Carolina, expecting some extreme flooding potential in those areas. And beyond that, the exact track is fairly uncertain still, but the chance is there for us to be seeing some of the remnants of this storm later on next week. In the meantime, though, again, looking fairly dry overnight tonight. That'll lead way to a clearing as we head towards early Monday morning. Plenty of sunshine will allow a quick warm up as we head towards the afternoon. Highs in the low 90s inland down at the coast, low to mid 80s. So very warm, humid tomorrow. Now again, current guidance is keeping things fairly dry outside of maybe a spot shower or two, but any storms that do fire up with kind of all that fuel with the heat and humid conditions could become severe. So we'll keep a close eye on that over the next 24 hours or so. So again, your Monday morning here, some early patchy fog, which is possible, lead way to plenty of sunshine through the rest of the morning. Afternoon, again, very hot and humid with those highs around 90, and there is that slight chance for a shower, potentially a thunderstorm late in the day. So again, your 7-day forecast tomorrow on Monday, kind of the pick of the week, honestly. One of the only drier days starting on Tuesday and then right on through the end of the week and the weekend. We're looking at a lot of opportunities for showers and thunderstorms, and then again, that potential for the remnants of Debbie as well.
So tomorrow is dry, but we're still going to really feel that heat.
Yeah, and kind of when you have that environment with the very high humidity and heat, when that potential for thunderstorms does kick in. So we're looking fairly dry, but that chance is there for kind of more late in the day tomorrow.
Always something.
I know.
All right, thanks so much. Now in sports.